It's Matt with 911R. We have this 2011 GT2 RS. This is one of the baddest ass Porsches you can get. This car is, 600 and some horsepower, 655 horsepower roughly, twin turbo, two-wheel drive, lightweight special race suspension. This has got everything it is. What makes this car very rare is it has a $7,000 carbon fiber front fender option on it. There's not very many cars with these. That was a really unique option. So big difference from a regular one. This car's got some miles on it. It's been driven. But it's got a full PPF on it. It's original paint, and car hasn't had any damage on it. According to the Carfax, and we've called all the dealers and pulled the receipts that we can get. It's always been serviced at the Porsche dealerships and taken care of. Center lock wheels, carbon fiber brakes, carbon fiber mirrors, special two-tone Alcantara interior, carbon fiber door trim, lightweight, all the options. Carbon fiber rear diffuser, APR exhaust on this car, rear wing, just all the really trick stuff that Porsche threw at this thing to make it, basically the fastest street car there is. We'll jump in it, we'll take it for a drive and talk about some of its characteristics. Here we go. All right, let's take this GT2 and see what she does. Holy cow, she pulls like a freight train. Just can barely shift fast enough. That's exhilarating. The 997 body is one of my favorites. It's so much tighter and smooth and just more compact than the new 991, especially the 992. Those cars just feel really big to me. 997s just are like the right size. Shifting on this car is really precise. Obviously it has the Porsche short shifter in it. This car is loaded up with, like I said, the carbon fiber fenders. It does have the PCM system. I've seen a lot of these cars that they even delete this whole deal on them. But this one has all this stuff. You got sport suspension. You can turn the traction control on and off. I don't know why you'd ever do that in a car like this. I love the red and tan or gray steering wheel with the Alcantara. You have the Alcantara on the seats. You have it on the red headliner. It's just really beautifully done. Of course, you can see it has the Sport Chrono. This is number 168 of the production line. These were numbered limited edition cars, which makes them really cool. I remember when these cars came out, there was a big list and demand for them, and obviously it's continued to grow. But this is a car you can actually just kind of cruise in too. Suspension isn't like the new RSs where they beat you up and are too rough. This one, actually feels pretty nice and smooth. Very similar to the GT3 cars. But as soon as you give it the boot, man, she takes off. Shifting, like I said, is nice and precise. Let's get over here and we'll do another little power run up here. I love how they rev on downshift, and they toe and heel just perfectly. So hopefully we'll get some traffic clear here and give it another pull. Man, just feel those turbos kick in. Holy cow. Super fun. So if you have any questions, use the contact seller button. We're happy to help out. We can help with shipping. If you're interested in 911R representing a car for you, use the contact seller button as well, and we'll get back to you and tell you about our program. Good luck, and thank you very much.